Hola, it's me, P Mama 100, and today the video is going to be putting on some nails that I bought from Temu. You know what is Temu? Well, I bought about 4 or 5 packs of nails, and I don't think I paid $7 for all of them, and they're really, really nice. And so I just wanted to kind of come on and do a video of me putting on these nails, how I make them last a long time, and as well as you know, I know we think of when you think of Temu, Tamu, you think of, oh, everything there's just probably cheap. Yes, it is, but there's some good stuff too. And so the nails that I've been buying, I've been finding that they have been really great, durable nails. And it's the glue as well. I mean, you have to get some good glue. Well, actually, my husband bought for me that it seems to last quite a bit for me, but I'm using a different glue today. It's the LA Colors Fast Action. So I want to see how long this is going to last me. My nails usually can last me at least almost 2 weeks if I let it. And it's a science to it, to be honest, how you keep these nails on.
That's not science.
It is, and just let it go.
And I'll show when I'm doing the demonstration on putting on these nails. But I just wanted to do this video because they are Temu nails. Temu, whatever. So I hope you enjoy the video. And that's it. Enjoy.
Guys, right here, I'm just going to do a voiceover for this part because I'm doing a lot of jibber jabbering during this video. So I just really want to just do a voiceover on this. I'm showing the nails right now. Beautiful nails is what it was called. It's no specific name or anything like that. Well, I guess beautiful name is the name. But right now, what I'm about to show you is how you prep the nail. You take your alcohol pad, and that's what I have. And you want to go over each nail. I suggest washing your hands with soapy water first, and then go over each nail with the alcohol wipes just to prep it. And what this does is remove any excess oils or anything that you may have on your hand and don't realize. You take your file. This is a 100 by 180 grit type of, file. And you just want to rough your nails up. And the reason you're doing that is because you want to make sure that you remove any trace of oil. And it also gives the nail something to adhere to. So I don't know if you know that, but if you do, good. If you don't, for those that don't know, you should always be buffing your nail bed. Now I'm going super fast here because I don't want this video to be way, way long while I'm sitting here doing that and chit-chatting. But I'm not, going real hard on my nails. I'm pushing the cuticles back a little bit, and it just looked like I'm being harsh on my nails because it's in super top speed at this moment. But you want to just, like I said, get it all roughed up. So when you put that glue on there, you put those nails on there, you'll be able to make them really stick. That really helps with making the nails last long. Okay, so in this pack comes about 24 nails. Yes, I just dumped that on my kitchen floor, but everyone that knows me knows how anal I am. I sweep every freaking day, and I'm practically running a mop across my floor every day because it's like white marble looking, I mean ceramic, whatever, not ceramic, but it's white tiles, and it's just, you can see anything that's on it. But anyway, so I'm taking the pack off now, of course, as you can see, and what I'm going to do is begin taking the nails out to measure them on my fingers. Of course, you have to do that, and it's just common sense. But, for, craps and giggles, I'm going to go ahead and just talk about it anyway. Okay, so after you get each nail out, you want to make sure you find the ones that match your fingers. Now, these ones that's in the rows right there, those are already set out there, and I think that's their way, or these companies' way, of giving you a head start on matching up your fingers with these fingernails. I don't know, but they're there, and I always start with those first before I dip into the actual front part where it's all the rest of the nails are sitting. So I won't talk too much right here. It's just common sense what I have going on. Actually, trying to match it up. And then sometimes you'll find a nail that almost match, but not quite. I do suggest that if you have something on the edge, and I know you guys can't really see that because the lighting is so bad because I'm in front of my window and then I have an overhead light, and I think it's causing this weird glare. But what I was saying is if you have a nail that doesn't quite fit your nail bed, don't put it on there. Find a different one. It's better to get one that's just a little bit too big and you can, file it down or shape it to fit your nail, but do it carefully because you don't want to over file and then it be, too small. So anyway, back to what I was saying or what I'm doing here. I'm just picking out the nails and finding what fits my nails and and talking about it. So I don't know why I thought that was going to fit my thumbnail. It fits my middle fingernail, which my middle fingers, I hate them. They're so awkward looking, but it is what it is. And that's why I'd rather have nails on because they look better. My nails actually grow really well. I don't have issues with brittle nails and nails that don't grow. See what I'm doing here? I'm shaping the middle nail to fit my nail perfectly because it was too big and I didn't see one in there that exactly fitted. And both of my middle nails, one is like kind of maybe a little bit bigger than the other, not like awkwardly bigger. I may find one to fit one on one side and then the other one, I have to shape a nail to fit it. It's always like that. It's the weirdest thing. So super fast forwarding this part because I don't want to just keep talking actually, but it is what it is, right? I'm almost done. And those, so women with really big hands or nail beds, I think the best thing for them to do is just buy like a bunch of nails. And what I love about Temu is that the price is so cheap. You can buy a bunch of packs of them and use all the bigger nail bed nails out of there that would fit your nail beds. There's no reason that no woman should not be able to wear nails. And with prices like this, why not? So now I'm showing that you can put the glue on and you want to just add little drops. You don't want to drown the nail in glue because if it's too much glue, it's not going to stick right. It's going to run down your cuticles, all down on your fingers. I mean, yeah, you can get some alcohol, no, acetone, and, kind of wipe that off or whatever, but why go through that? Then you can also take a nail file and just buff it. So once you put the nail on there, you want to press it down on there to make sure it's on there. Hold it down. And see, that's the first nail. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to adjust the light. Don't worry. I'm going to close that blind. There I go. So that you can see it's on. Because it's really a nice, I'm just really blown away at how sturdy and the thickness and you'll see when they're all on my nails, they just look like I went and got a full set done. And actually, when I recorded this video and I went out to our family meeting for a family reunion meeting, everyone thought I had went and got my nails done. I'm like, no, these are press-ons. You know me, I'm not doing the going to get my nails done no more. Not if I don't have to. I don't ever have time. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just sitting there showing you that I got the next one on. I just think this is really great that we have this opportunity because, I mean, a lot of people have increased their prices on everything from food to auto parts to, I mean, when you want to go get your nails done, the prices are even higher. So if we can save some money, some coin, as as we say, and get this stuff done at home ourselves, why not? It's coming along. I'm excited. I was excited. I don't know if you can tell. My mouth is moving a million miles an hour. So, yeah, I keep coming out of the camera view. You guys have to forgive me because I'm trying to get back in the swing of doing videos and things are so different nowadays. And, and I know I need to up my game. Don't worry, I'm working on it. My video and editing game. So, yeah, there we go. Got that on. And the thing is, you can go sit in a salon and sit a half an hour to an hour, but you can get these press-ons and some good glue, fast action glue, extreme hold glue, and literally do this at home yourself. It doesn't take some, you know, brain. I was about to say science again. It doesn't take some brainchild to figure out how to put nails on. Match them up, glue them on. Not too much glue. You can either put them on your nail bed, and you saw me switch it up. You can drop the nail glue inside of the actual nail and then flip it on carefully, because sometimes it can just, like I said, drip around too much. And see how I'm pressing down on my nail? Don't get it twisted. Sometimes your girl's finger gets stuck on the nail, but that's okay because if it leaves a dry looking spot, just throw some clear fingernail polish on top of it and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm speeding this up, of course, as you see, even more. And I'm doing that because I had put quite a bit of glue on there and you couldn't see it, but some dropped off of it. That's how much came out of that tube. Some dropped onto my little mouse pad that I'm using there. And so 3 more nails to go and then we'll be done. Look at that. My finger got stuck. You saw that, right? Yeah. And I'm going to just explain, if your finger gets stuck, just, throw some clear fingernail polish on top of it. But you do want to put pressure on it and make sure that it adheres. And yeah, we're almost done here. That's so funny, watching myself and putting on these nails. But I am sorry if this isn't like a grandiose tutorial, because I'm not talking and explaining. I'm explaining with this voiceover, but I'm not actually showing it as good as I could. And certainly I'm going to be showing other nails by Team Temu, and you'll get to see. But I just didn't want this video to be so long. I just wanted to make the ultimate point of this video is I bought several packs of fingernails from Temu and did not even pay $7 for all of them. They were so super cheap and they're absolutely beautiful. I had some. This isn't my first time. This video isn't my first time ever putting on their nails. I bought some back in December, and the ones I bought in December were like this clear kind of nail with glitter and rhinestones on it, and not gaudy, but just tastefully done. And they were so beautiful that I was upstairs. I was visiting my sister, and it was around Christmas, and I was upstairs in the bedroom after I got dressed, and I just popped these nails on and came down, and she was like, "Did you have those? Did you go get your nails done? Did you have those on when you came here?" And I was like, "No." I said, "These are from Temu." And she was like, "Girl, you are Temu'd out." And I'm like, "Yes, I know, but it's so easy to get on Temu and get lost with buying stuff. It's crazy." I'm like I mentioned on a short I had here on YouTube, I'm a Temu holic. I need Temu therapy.
Done. So I have on black and silver. I'm going to go put on my silver rings, and there you have it. Press on nails quick. You can't tell me I didn't go get them done. They don't look so bad. They don't look bad, do they? They're kind of cute. Okay, so I wanted to show you the other ones that I have. Um, this right here is called the cat eye. I think it's really cute. And it has this like marble like look, you know what I mean? Can't wait to put those on. These right here have like a little design. These also came from Tamu. And these. And all of these, I mean, plus the set I have on now, one, two, three, four, um, five. And I have these. These a bit longer. I'm wearing these next weekend to Fort Lauderdale. But I wanted to show you the ones that I do have from Timu and Tamu. But, go on the website and take a look and look at the reviews. That's how you shop. You look at the reviews that have pictures. Forget what people are saying. Look at the pictures. Look at it on people's hands. Check out some of those nails. Stop paying 5, 10, 15, $20 for press on nails. I mean, literally, it's a no brainer, right? Saving you some money. You can thank me later. Have a great rest of your day.